Oh, it's been a little while since I fired it up. Let's see if it'll start. Temp gauge reads 54 degrees in the coolant. Always had a nasty lane wrap whenever it does the first cold start during the winter. But it's alive. Jumps up to 61, 62 degrees. Still sounds a little lean. There we go, it's planing out now. My air filter could need to be cleaned. Yep. Out to a nice idle once it warms up some. Up to 70 degrees. Air filter definitely needs to be cleaned. Still in one piece though. That's good. Yep, that's her. Let her idle for a little bit and show y'all what I'm working on right now. Don't pay attention from here back. That's all you want to see. Right there, and right there, right there, and right there. And that's it. Alright, y'all. So, I haven't made a YouTube video in quite a while. I went out to Oregon, rode the sand dunes. I got some good GoPro footage, but our computer sucks and it takes like 5 hours to upload a 5-minute long video from, the computer. But I'm gonna try and get it uploaded for y'all. But yeah, so I mean, I'm trying to get back into making YouTube videos. This is the first one I've made in a while. But yeah, just enjoy. Yeah, I lost my tether, somewhere between Louisiana and Oregon.